Hi cuties, good morning. Good morning to the parents. In previous assignment, we have recognized alphabet G and H. So today we will start with letter I and alphabet J. I for an ice cream, J for jug. Open your My Picture book, My ABC book. From that, we will recognize alphabet I and J. See children, this is alphabet I, capital I, and this is small letter I. I for an igloo, I for an ice cream. What is the color of this ice cream, children? Orange color. I for an insect. Have you ever seen an insect? I for ink pot. I for an ice. I for idea. In iron. Come to the next page, children. This is alphabet J. See children, how can you trace J? Standing line and make a small curve. J for J-U-G, jug. J for joker. Repeat it after me. J for jam. J for jacket. J for jet. J for jar. J for joy. And J for jelly. I for ice cream. J for jug. Next, what we have, children? You all can recognize fruit name as we have learned it in previous assignment. This is picture matching. So, at first you will tell me the name of the fruit. Which fruit is this? This is an apple. Which fruit is this? This is apple. We will find apple over here. Where is the another apple? Here we have the another apple. So what you will do? You will draw one slanting line and match it with the apple. Next, which fruit is this? This is king of a fruit, that is mango. So, match mango with the another mango. This is an orange. Match it with the picture. This is pear. This is strawberry. This is, which fruit is this? Children, this is chiku. Match it with the another picture. You can do this on a printout or you can draw it in sheet of a paper or a copy. Next, come to the pattern writing. Today we will trace left and right slanting line. See children, this is curve V. In previous assignment we have done A. Today we will do curve V, which is left slanting line and right slanting line. Take out your pencil and trace. Follow the arrow and trace it properly. Very good children. Do it with the help of your mummy or papa. Say left slanting line, right slanting line. Very good, children. Come to the next page. Here we have a kite, which we will make with the help of slanting line that we have learned from our book. Trace it, children. Next, make one triangle. And next, what we will do? We will color on it. After tracing the kite, what we will do? We will color on it. Which color is this? This is pink color. So children, take out pink color from your crayons box and start coloring. See, I have done it for you. You will do it here. Okay, and here also. Thank you, children. Now come to the number work. Open your My Number book, and here you will see, children, number 5. Which number is this? This is number 5. 5 comes after number 4. You already learned that number 1 number is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and today's number is number 5. Come children, we will count the fish. How many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 fish. 5 fishes are there. And here we have a very sweet number rhyme. Come and sing with me. 5 little fish swimming in the sea. They went to the school like you and me. They learned to swim. They learned to dive. They learned to count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, what we have, children? We have Ron got a star. It has 5 rays. Color it. She is Ron and she got a star. So what we will do? We have to color this star. Color this, children. After that, we will learn how to trace number 5. Take out your pencil and start tracing. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Very good. Come to the next point. Tick the water animal that has 5 arms. So, this is starfish and this is octopus. What we will do? We will count their arms and we have to circle which has 5 arms. So, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! We have starfish over here. So, what we will do? We will tick like this. Yes, children. Very good. After doing the number work, we will color on fishy fish. See which color we will do? Yellow and pink. See, children, fish lives in the water. There are different kinds of fishes. Color this fish with beautiful colors. See? Wow! This fish is looking so nice. Color on it. As I said you that we will do something interesting in the next class. So here we are. Write your name over here and put date. After that, we will make paper ball collage. B for ball. B for ball. So what we will do, tear a red crepe paper into small pieces and roll them round into balls. Apply glue on the image and stick them. See, you can encourage your child with the helping of these pictures. Take one red paper, and if you don't have a red paper, take white paper and color red on the white paper. After that, make a balls like this and stick it on the ball, and our ball will look like this. You will stick over here, and we will be ready with our paper ball. Thank you, children. Hope you like the video.